Hey students, I have another example for you for Chapter 10 work, again to help you kind of learn to read and understand reconstitution and reading drug labels. So this one is an order for cephalexin, and we have a cephalexin drug label here. I know it's really small writing, but I'm going to read it for you as far as our mixing of medications with reconstitution. So our doctor has ordered 500 milligrams suspension, PO/QID. The above drug label is available, and we want to know how much diluent is added. And over here again, usually this is going to be written in the smaller words, and maybe be on the back of the drug label itself, but over here it has contains, usual pediatric doses, prior to mixing, and then after mixing, and here's directions for mixing. This says add 66 milliliters of water in 2 portions to the dry mixture in the bottle. Shake well after each addition. And so here it says add 66 milliliters. And then the final concentration after reconstituting, again, this is going to be the information that is in the bigger, bolder print, telling us how much per our unit, in this case milliliters, is available. So our final concentration is 125 milligrams per, whoops, not milliliters, 5 milliliters. I'll just change that right quick. 5 milliliters. And now it wants to know how many milliliters we give. So again, our doctor has ordered 500 milligrams. So that's how much we ultimately want. And our concentration of the medication that's in this bottle is 125 milligrams per 5 milliliters. And we want to know how many milliliters are administered. So setting up our problem for our dimensional analysis, again solving for milliliters, milliliters goes on top. We look at our sentences to see which one has milliliters in it, and we see that it has, this is the 5 milliliters in 125 milligrams. And again, per dimensional analysis rules, if this is milligrams, this has to be milligrams, and what we're left then with is the desired dose that we want, and over 1. So then we're going to have 5 times 500 gives us 2,500 over 125, and then we're just going to do that math. And we're ultimately going to give 20 milliliters, because our milligrams cancel out, and that's what we're left with, of cephalexin.